Hello guys, in this video we will cover various data type of a Python variable. A variable is a reserved memory location, and the data type of that variable decide what we can store in that particular location. In Python we have the data type, and the data type have a parent data type such as numeric, text, sequence mapping, and so on. In case of numeric, there are three data types: int, float, and complex, and they are created when a number is assigned to a variable. Int stands for integer, such as var1, which is equal to 10, and this value can be positive or negative. Then we have float. It's used for number with decimal digit, such as in this case we have r2, which is equal to 10.0. And finally we have a complex data type that store the complex or imaginary number such as 10g, and g typically here represent the square root or of -1. The next data type is str, or string data type. This can be any textual data such as the name of a person, the name of a city, in this case we have Chicago, the sentence, and so on. Then we have a data type of list, tuple, and range, which are sequential in nature. That means the data is stored in a sequence like an array. In case of a list, it behaves like an array, which is a sequence of items and can be both number as well as string. Tuple, on the other hand, is an immutable data, which means we cannot change it, so we can't modify the size and the value of the item of a tuple. A range is a sequence of number between a given range. In this case we have range 10, which means it's begin from 0 to 9. Next we have the data type of dictionary. This is a special data type which fall in the category of mapping. It behaves like a key value pair. We can basically store as well as access the data using the key over here. It's an order set of key value pair of item. Then next we have the data type of boolean, which is nothing but assigning the true or false value for logical operation. They are used to represent the true value, the truth value. Next we have the binary variable data type, which has byte array and memory view. Byte and byte array are used for manipulating binary data, and the memory view use the buffer protocol to access the memory of other binary object without needing to make a copy. And finally, we have the set and frozen data type, which again store the collection of items but without the keys. The set in Python can be defined as the unordered collection of various items enclosed within the curly braces. The frozen set are immutable form of the normal set. It means we cannot remove or add any item into the frozen set. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you got some value from this video. Feel free to like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.